Hey folks, how are you all doing? So today I decided to share this allergy tips that works greatly for me. If you live in the US or UK, you understand better. Now for this allergy tip, a lot of people, this is the back of orange. I basically boil it. I would have the inside and at the same time boil the back of the orange, because 70% of the vitamins are literally at the back of the orange. Although a lot of people only take the inside, but the back itself is where the whole nutrients is. Now this is the sweet part of the orange that a lot of people like. Now when I have this drink, it subdues my allergy. I usually get caught up with the allergy season, maybe sneezing of nose, running of nose, itchy throat and all that. This takes absolutely care of that. That is me drinking it. It's a little bit bitter, so I would advise that you could top it up with honey or something, but this works magic. And if you want to boost your immune system, give it a shot.